Okay, now in this video I am going to talk about the application part of quadratic function, and the question is, you have 160 yards of the fencing to enclose a rectangular region 160 yard, and you are going to enclose a rectangular region. Find the maximum area. What we need to find out? We need to find out the maximum area of that rectangular region. So the answer, I will start with the answer of this question, and how we can do that. We see this is a rectangular region, for example, and this rectangular region, this is your length and this is your width. Okay, so the length, opposite sides are equal because this is length part, so this is also going to be the length part, this is also width, and this is also, so this is going to be y. Okay, you are going to fence the boundary. Definitely you will be fencing the boundary. So when you fence the boundary of a rectangular region, how much part is going to be 160 yard you require to cover this fencing. So that is means when you are moving on the boundary of a rectangular region, that is called perimeter. So when you move x plus y plus x plus x plus y, so it is going to be 2 times x and 2 times y equals to 160. Okay, now this whole is divisible by 2. So we divide each part by 2.
Hello?
So over here this whole part is divisible by 2, so I have divided sorry, so x plus y equals to 80. Okay, this is the first relation we have received, x plus y equals to 180, and further we can't solve it out over here anything, so we will leave it over here. Now what I need to find out, we need to find out the area. So we know the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is going to be length times width, so x times y. Okay, now this is going to be your function, which maximum value I need to calculate over here. So this I need to convert into the one function. To convert this into the one function, I need to take the help of this. So from here I am going to write y in terms of x. This is cancel out, y equals to 80 minus x. Correct. Now this value I am going to plug in over here. When you plug in over here, this is going to be x times 80 minus x. Okay, now you need to open this and distribute this x. So x times 80 is going to be 80x minus x times x is going to be x square. Now I need to write in the order, first the x square term and then x. Okay, so the negative x square plus 80x. Okay, and this, so now you can see this become the quadratic function. So area is going to be a function of x equals to area. Either you write area because it becomes the function and that is written in terms of x, and here highest power of the highest degree of the x is 2, so it is going to be a quadratic function, trinomial. And so when you compare this with the standard form, this is your our standard form. For the quadratic you can't see the c part, so I have added 0. And so over here before x square no number, it means 1, so the a value is going to be negative 1 and b value is going to be 80 and the c value is going to be 0. To maximize any function, suppose this okay, to decide the parabola will be opening upward or downward, it is decided by a. So a is negative over here, it means parabola is going to be opening downward. This is going to be the shape of this parabola when you will be plotting the graph. This is going to be the maximum value over here the function is going to attain. So to calculate this maximum value at this point, I need x and y both coordinate. Correct. To x always be given by negative b upon 2a. Okay, so I'll calculate. B value is 80, 2 times negative 1, so 80 upon negative 2. This is cancel out and this is going to be 40. Correct. Now to calculate the y value, either you plug in this x value in this relation and calculate y, or otherwise with the help of this relation. So this relation will be bit easy for to calculate the value of y, so I am going to use this. So the y equals to 80 minus x, and 80 minus x value is 40, that I am going to plug in over here. So 80 minus 40 is 40, but what I need to calculate, I need to calculate the maximum area. So the area equals to what the formula we have written over here, area is x into y. correct. So this is 40, this is y value is also 40, so the 1600 unit square, whatever will be the unit, that is going to be unit square. So the maximum area of the function is going to be 1600. So if you want to calculate orally, what you need to do, you need to check out this first. What is this fencing area? Fencing area half I need to do. We have done 160 half, that is 80, and then what you need to do, you need to do the half of this value also, because we need x, and x is going to be always what? X is going to be always b upon 2a, correct. So you calculate that part orally, and then you can calculate then you calculate the y value with the help of this relation and get this area being done. Okay, so this pattern of question also you can see in the quiz 3, and so practice a similar pattern question, and this one question I think is sufficient to work out on the rest of the questions. So try out more question, and if you have any problem you can forward your problem to me. Thank you.